why they turned off the lights. And get oh wait. Archie, you know the reason why they have to turn off the light. It has nothing to do with
Dito ka kumuha para kita po niya.
Oh, there's the Leaning Tower of Pisa!
Ayan.
Oo nga, ganda dito sa part na to. Grabe yung ilaw. Look at that! Look at that! That's the laser right there. Ooh! Ayan, ang ganda ng laser. Kita mo yan? Yes! Pero alam mo, mas magandang kuhanan dun sa harap pag nandun ka siguro sa part na yun. Kasi yung water. Diba? Ayan o, yung kanang ilaw. Ang ganda. Yay!
Preparation nata to para sa flower sheet.
Flora exposition. Hindi, pero every year naman sila nagaganito eh. Floral Expo. Stop ko na siya.